Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn Term 2, Unit 1, Prose Adventures of Don Quixote. Children, let's see the character of this lesson. Don Quixote is the main character in this lesson. He reads a lot of books about the adventures of various knights. Next character is the Sancho Panza. Sancho is the fictional character. Sancho acts as a squire Don Quixote and provides comments throughout the novel. So he is the attendant to Don Quixote. Once upon a time, in a village called La Mancha in Spain, lived a man who loved to read about knights. Here, knights means a warrior, especially of the Middle Ages, or young servant, or followers, a military attendant. So he is the attendant. Every day he would read about courageous knife and the incredible adventures they had here. The word courageous means bold, incredible means wonderful. There are the meanings. Don Quixote was so absorbed in the stories that he hardly remembered to eat or sleep. So he never sleep while reading the stories. The days of nights and squares of exciting adventures and romance come alive in the hilarious account of Don Quixote travel. Here, the word squares means a young nobleman acting as an attendant to a knight. Hilarious means extreme, merry, or funny. As years pass, Don Quixote imagines himself placed in the world of knights. He convinced Sancho Panza, peasant from the same village, to be squire. Here, peasant means a person who once sows a small piece of land, cross keeps animals on it, especially one who has low income. Yes, next. And he asked Sancho Panza to be squire and promised to give an island as reward if he was faithful to him. He asked to Sancho, if he faithful to him, he can provide island as a reward. He promised to his attendant. On the way of adventure, they saw a large old windmill. Don Quixote imagined the windmill to be an ogre and attached without listening to Sancho, who tried to make him understand that it was a windmill here, ogre. Ogre means a man-eating giant or actual or terrifying person. So here he thought windmill is a giant. So Don Quixote flew towards the windmill and collided with it. After that, Don Quixote and Rocinante charged the windmill at full speed. Here, Rocinante means his horse. He used his horse to ride to go one place to another place. It's like a vehicle. After hearing the windmill, both of them fell down on the ground, and then they thought that he had wounded the ogre and left that place. After this windmill incident, Don Quixote and Sancho passed the farm. They saw her thick cloud of dust appeared as Don Quixote, and Sancho passed farm. They saw the cloud of dust appeared. He told him that there was undoubtedly approaches army matching in that action. Then Don started to name the leaders and principal knights in each army and to describe the different nation represented. Don Quixote sets first to Rocinante and charged into the midst of the sheep. At this, the frightened animals filled helter-skelter. Here, the word passed means a device with a small size. Helter-skelter means a confused. So when Don Quixote entered into the middle of the sheep, all the sheep were confused. The shepherd saw this, threw stones on his and wounded him. The local peasants all thought that Don Quixote was crazy. Crazy means here mad. And they laughed and turned as he passed. Here, Tuned means tease or laugh. So here the local peoples are kindled to him. After this incident, Don Quixote returned to his home and realized that all his adventures were simply a product of his imagination. And he decided not to embrace itself. Again, here the words embrace means feel ashamed. And he told many adventure stories to children about knights, squires, and noble quests, and all lived happily together. And these stories took them to various places throughout imagination. Let's see summary of this lesson. Don Quixote, who reads lot of books about the adventures of various knights and squires, after reading the books, he imagines himself to be a knight and goes on the adventures. He asked Sancho Panza to be squire and promised to give an island as reward if he was faithful to him. On the way of the adventure, they saw a large old windmill. Don Quixote imagined that windmill to be an ogre, attached without listening, so Sancho, who trying to make him understand that it was a windmill, he thought that he had wounded the ogre and left the place. When they crossed the farm, they saw a cloud of the dust by herd of sheep. Don Quixote imagined that it was raised due to the armies marching towards them. He changed in the mix of the sheep. There was a commission there. The shepherds who saw this threw the stones on him and wounded. The peace and mocked Don Quixote, but he imagined that people were cheering him when home to reached. He realized that it was his imagination and decided not to embrace himself. Again, he told many adventure stories, knights, to the children at home and took them to the various places through imagination. Here, children, you can understand, here Don Quixote is the hero of this lesson. He thinking himself is a warrior. Then he thought windmill hit him, he thought it hit by the ogre. Ogre means here ghost. So I think you understand this lesson. Thank you, children.